Happy Friday, Aiken. My name is Michel'le Jackson, and I'm here to bring you the front page. Today marks our 50th show, and I would like to thank our sponsor, viewers, and the Aiken Standard staff reporters. Without you guys, this show would not be possible. And our leading local stories, a cool project just in time for summer. The City of Aiken is renovating the park in the median on Lawrence Street between Richland Avenue and Park Avenue. County Government reporter D.D. Biles provides a full timeline of the project. Sunday best. Be sure to pick up a hard copy of the Sunday paper to read about Tony Allman, the chairman of the board of directors for the First Tee of Aiken. The section will also feature information on the Aiken Golf Classic, which benefits Relay for Life. We'll be back with Masters news, but first a word from Crescent Automotive.
Everyone's a welcome guest at Crescent Automotive. We're Aiken's Choice Award winner 4 years in a row.
That probably has a lot to do with our low upfront windshield pricing and no additional processing fees.
Remember, everybody drives Crescent.
You should too. On top of the leaderboard at the Masters. Aiken Standard sports reporter Kyle Dawson will have complete coverage of Kevin Kisner's second round. Kisner briefly held a share of the lead in the first round on Thursday. Making the cut. The Aiken Standard staff will have updates throughout Friday's second round as golfers battle to make the cut at the Masters. To read more about these stories, please visit aikenstandard.com. My name is Michel'le Jackson, and thank you for tuning in to the 50th show of The Front Page. I'll see you Monday.